Good day to you, Ma'am and Sir. I am Stella Marie Cagulada from Philippines. I am 38 years old. I am a single mother of my two daughters, ages 20 years old and 18 years old. After I finish school, I work in the hospital as a caregiver to the elderly, Ma'am and Sir. I have been working as a maid for 4 years here in the Philippines, Ma'am and Sir. I do household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of their children. But most of my duty is to take care of their newborn baby. I want to work in the Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family needs and for for the better future of my children, Ma'am and Sir. I don't have any surgery. To my dearest future employer, please hire me because I am honest, loyal, trustworthy, responsible, hardworking, and patient all the time. If you hire me, Ma'am and Sir, I promise that I will love and care your children as my own child. And I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. Here is my best song for favorite song for the baby. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Hope to see you